Okay po, next problem, number 3. If using simple interest, how many days must a 50,000 peso value bearing 5% accumulate an interest of 3,000 pesos? Ito, mas madali-dali siyang intindihin kasi nga, simple interest. Okay, how many days? So, ang tinatanong is days. Must a 50,000 value. Must a. So, alam mo naman na agad yan na principal amount yan. Principal amount or yung first amount na hihiramin mo. The 50,000 is bearing an interest rate of 5%. So, let's call R as 5%. Ma-accumulate siya. Kumbaga, naludi. Wait lang, may lamok. Distract ako sa lamok pala. Alam mo. Anyway. Mag-accumulate siya ng interest na 3,000 pesos. Diba? Okay, so sorry, hindi pa pala yan. Sorry man. So, ano na, ang gagawin ko? How many days? Days lang naman eh. So, we all know that interest, the formula for interest is okay, given 3,000 I. P, principal, 50,000 pesos. Rate, 5%. What is time? Ay grabe, ang dali. Yun lang. Sige nga, chips on lang. 3,000 is equal to 50, 1, 2, 3. Times 5 per percent times alpha x. Para rin mag-group kita ng total daw. So that is 1.2, pero ito ay again years. Ang tinatanong ng problem is how many days using simple interest. So therefore, I will multiply 1.2 years by 365 more days in a year. So the time is equal to 1.2 times 365 or 438 days. So yan lang po ang sagot sa number 3 in PNS. Madali naman yan eh. Okay, thank you po.